Honorable Prime Minister should urgently visit Manipur for an immediate restoration of peace and normalcy in the state without affecting territorial integrity of the Manipur. The entire law and order situation over there is totally breakdown. That's was given by the Honorable Supreme Court, but that is nothing happened, nothing response was given by the state government. Why we are coming here in Delhi is that we are raising our issues at the national level because the peoples of Manipur suffering, it has been completed 18 months and it is going to be 19th month. The peoples are suffering, the people of Manipur are suffering in all forms of activities in our life. And really, it is a very shocking, it's a very horrific tragedy we have experiencing since 3rd of May 2023, and it's still this turmoil situation is continue. And for this, we are coming here, we are moving towards Delhi from Manipur to raise up these issues at the national levels. And at the same time, the India Bloc team, we really happy that the leaders of India raising this issue, raising our issues inside the parliament and outside the parliament. So for this, really thankful to all these MP who have raised our voice in the parliament. And so, and shortly, really, we are very painful. The people of, the entire people of Manipur are very painful. And we, in fact, the human rights of the people of Manipur is entirely violated over here. And the women are killed, and children's babies are killed. Our innocent citizens of India are killed here in Manipur under these administrations of the double engine government there. So this is the system that we are experiencing, facing the problem of this anarchy government. Really, what happened is that the national highways that we have, that is totally blocked since 3rd of May 2023 and still continue. The essential commodities that we have, it is unavailable and it is not getting enough. And those whatever we get is also at a very high prices. And also, you see, the internet has been banned and it still continue. Curfew imposed day by day, and immediately the state government is imposing the curfew now and then, and the re-imposition of the armed forces special power right there. And also we are very thankful with these activities of the government under this double engine government. So a lot of disturbances to all the institutions, colleges, schools, universities and the professional institutions that whatever we have here in the state. This is very horrific situations here who are facing there in Manipur. So, and we are really grateful to all the leaders of the India Alliance. So they have raised issues at the national level, and they are very much concerned about our issue at the national level. They have exposed whatever that we are facing here in the state. So I will just come to the point that this India Bloc team Manipur moving some resolution to have a demand to the Modi's government, that I will just some few points I will move to resolve our demands to the government. So before that, before this moving this resolution, I'm just today's update. I'm just mentioning about this the Supreme Court's instruction to the state government. It's a very new, and today I just found that in the social media that Supreme Court seeks a shield cover report on the present unprecedented turmoil happening there, say like the burning of the houses, the injuries that happen, the killings of the people, the IDPs, whoever they are in Manipur. More than 60,000 IDPs are there in this relief camp. Still this continues, and hundreds of people were killed. On that matter, Supreme Court had served this shield cover report to the government of Manipur. So in this connection, I just want to say is that the state government would not do anything, because already the Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court has said and given the instruction that the entire law and order situation over there is is totally breakdown. That's was given by the Honorable Supreme Court, but that is nothing happened, nothing response was given by the state government. It's still today's update by the Supreme Court, which is mentioned here to submit the report with seal cover. That would not happen, nothing development at all, because this state government, they are in the state, this is the BJP government is totally protected by the Amit Shah ji. That is why nothing will be development at all, and that report may not be submitted or may not be done, whatever it is, but it is totally paralyzed over here. No administration at all, no protection of life in the properties over there. That is very painful there we are facing there. So I will now move the resolution of this sit-in, this protest, sit-in demonstrations done by our India Bloc, India Alliance. So in this connection, I will just read it out. The move. India Bloc Manipur resolves to fresh for the following demands to the Presidents of India and the Prime Ministers of India. Number one, Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister should urgently visit Manipur for an immediate restoration of peace and normalcy in the state without affecting territorial integrity of the Manipur. Number two, Honorable Prime Ministers of India should be held responsible for the ongoing turmoil in Manipur and continuous violence for 19 months in the state. Number three, Honorable Union Home Ministers of India should immediately resign on moral grounds for his failure to tackle the present violence in Manipur for the last 19 months over there in Manipur. Number four, Honorable Chief Ministers of Manipur should be immediately checked for allowing Manipur to keep burning for the last 19 months there in Manipur. Further, until peace and normalcy is restored in Manipur, India Bloc, India Alliance Manipur will continue the democratic struggle to bring peace and normalcy in the state. We solemnly declare that we will work together hand in hand, irrespective of caste, creed, community, ethnic, city, to strengthen the bond of love and unity and integrity of Manipur for peaceful coexistence without enmity and hatred. Thank you.